Well, what'd you get?
It's,
Oh, is that a bunch of car stickers?
no, it's tape.
Car,
Yeah, car tape.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to open this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Open it up. Rip it open.
Oh.
Open that one next? Okay. Okay, what's that? Just trash. Just don't worry about it. Bobby's opening that one.
Yeah.
He's gonna help.
You're gonna let him help? Okay.
Good boy.
Thanks for letting him help.
You do it.
Here.
Huh? Oh.
Okay. I think you almost got it. Open it up. You got it.
Bobby gonna drink your juice. Oh,
Mama, you told me to.
Is it Mater?
let me see.
Open that one.
You want to open this one?
Yeah.
Did you? Here, let's open up the rest of your presents and then we'll play with them. Okay, get that one down there.
Oh.
Right down there.
That one?
Yeah, get that one. Oh,
Not that one.
booty
The other one.
crack.
Down below. By your feet. By your feet. Down there.
Oh. That one?
Yeah, that one right down.
How about that?
No, that's right there. That big one down there. Under the table.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
Oh,
That's that one.
what'd you get?
The lightning.
Is that lightning?
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, we got lightning and Mater.
No, it's homemade.
So Mater, that's right here. Open this one.
Oh.
Let's see what else we got.
Yeah. You.
You open it. It's your birthday.
Okay.
I think he needs to go pee.
Stop.
Oh, I know what this is.
Oh, what is
Open
it?
it up.
A watch.
Oh, you got a watch?
Yeah.
Cool. You may pull it out for you?
Yeah.
Okay. You gotta go pee-pee?
No.
Are you sure?
No. Hey, I said something.
Hey,
Hey,
I I think we should go to the bathroom and go pee-pee now
No.
before we do more.
No.
I think you need to go pee-pee.
No.
Okay,